So over here, you can see that I have an image of a girl with pimples right here. And let's say I want to go ahead and remove them. So to do that, you can utilize something called the Blemish Removal Tool so that you can smoothen out the skin. So for that, you can go around over here onto the Pixel tab, and over here on the left hand side, you can see that you can click and hold on this brush area, and here you can see the Blemish Removal Tool. So once you go ahead and click right here, what you can do now is simply select out the layer where you have these little blemishes, and then click and draw around, and you can see that as I click and drag this out, you can see that I can go and take a smooth surface area as a sample and then leave it to make it smooth. So this is not perfect yet. That is because the pimple right here is much larger. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the size of the brush right here. So once I do that, you can see that there's more brush area. You can go ahead and click and drag now. And then as I do that, you'll be able to see that it is much more smoother. So I can do the same with the others as well. So just go ahead and click and drag right here and choose a much more smoother area. And then what happens is that you can see that the softer area is selected, and this is basically what you have. You got a smooth skin right here. You can do the same right here on the edge as well, just like this, and that is what you have. So this is basically what you have. This is the before, as you can see in the history, and this is the after, as you can see right here. And this is simply how you can go ahead and utilize the blemish removal tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.